I am officially on fall break. And as you know, I'm posting 30 videos in 30 days. I think I mentioned this like every other video. You're probably sick of it by now. But I don't have anything to do today besides cram and get videos done and published and uploaded. I have one video scheduled to go up today, and after that I have nothing done. So today I'm really gonna need to just put my nose to the grindstone and get this done. I thought it'd be fun if I bring you along the day in the life of a YouTuber. I hate calling myself that. I'm just a girl who makes YouTube videos for fun. Anyway, so today is gonna be full of scripting, brainstorming, filming, editing, and doing everything that goes into publishing, like keyword research, all of that stuff. I'm doing everything today. So first thing I need to do is get myself camera ready. So something I like to do when I'm really busy, like I will be today, is I brainstorm when I kind of have downtime. I would like to introduce you to my little secret weapon. Probably the only reason I've been able to get it this far into the challenge, I think I'm at 15 videos, is this notebook. It is blank, no dots, no lines. This is where I do all of my brainstorming for videos. It just keeps me really organized. I have video ideas in here. I have my upload schedule in here so I can keep track of what video I'm on and when it's going up. Today, I need to brainstorm. I need to know what I'm going to be filming. Okay, so today I want to film this video. I also was thinking I could film a video about a Spotify playlist. I love watching those, so I thought that would be fun and easy for me to do. I need to finish filming the video about my vision board and winter outfits. I feel like I'm in the middle of filming other stuff too. Oh, my bedroom makeover. That wasn't a makeover. I don't really know what I'm gonna call that yet. So as always, I go completely overboard with my to-do list, and I have 10 videos that I want to film today. Why do I do this to myself? So I'm only gonna try to pick videos that I know will probably be done today. For example, the Spotify video is just a sit down video, so I could have that done today. Oh, scripting. Scripting is the next list I want to make. So I want to make a December bucket list. I would love to be able to film that today, but I need to script it first. I tend to do this a lot. I will write down a ton of stuff and then I get very overwhelmed and I don't really know where to start. Luckily, I'm starting right now with this video. This is one of the ones I want to film today. I only have one video scheduled and it is the one that's going out today. So it is very important that I try to get tomorrow's video done today. That's like my top priority. I would love to get 2 or 3 of those videos done. That way I have a little bit of buffer time because it's the holiday week. I have Thanksgiving, my sister's birthday is tomorrow. I'm busy most of Wednesday. So what is that? Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday I'm busy. So I've been talking for way too long. I need to just quick finish my makeup and get started on finishing my vision board. So filming got a lot longer than I expected it to because my phone decided to start the little spinning black wheel of death. It didn't like how many videos I was taking, but I finally finished my Spotify video. All right, it is like 1:30 now. I'm gonna move over to my mom's, spend quite a few hours uploading videos from my phone, getting them onto my laptop so I can just delete them off of my phone to free up some more storage. Last night I edited 3 videos, which is amazing, but I didn't feel like staying up to upload them to YouTube. I thought I would just do that Tuesday morning, which is today. Yeah, it was like 10 or 11 by the time I was done exporting the videos. Right now I'm at a coffee shop, so I'm gonna get some coffee, finish some thumbnails, upload some videos, and do like keyword research, all that sort of stuff. So listen, I'm all for supporting small local coffee shops, but like, my gosh, my coffee shop needs better internet. I was there for over 2 hours uploading one video, and it was only like 10 minutes long. Maybe it was 16. Either way, it should not have taken 2 hours. And halfway through, I switched over to my hotspot to speed it up. And my hotspot is very slow, but it's fine. So today's video is going up, which is good. Today is the 22nd. I'm just gonna need to figure out how I'm gonna get the other videos up. I might just try to upload them today off of my hotspot again, just at home. That way I don't have to just like sit there and watch it slowly upload. I can go do other things. On today's agenda, I want to try to upload those 2 other videos if I can. And then also I want to edit and then film some others. So I really need to get started because it's like 12:30 now. I've been on a roll today. I just finished editing another video. I'm importing some more clips for the week in my life vlog. Things are going great. I uploaded the 2 that I didn't get to at the coffee shop because of their slow internet. Right now it is 4 o'clock. And so far I have them scheduled up to Thursday, which is Thanksgiving. I feel like when I do this, I get into certain like categories, like certain parts of the video making process. Like for some reason, I will have to be scripting 8 videos and then like a week later, I'll have to be editing 8 videos and I have no time for scripting. But now almost all my videos are edited and I have to go back to scripting, which makes sense, but like I thought it was gonna be more balanced. I actually have an idea to film a video right now. It's more of a crafty video and I'm home alone, so I might like just film like the intro of it since no one's here to hear me talk to the camera because I always feel awkward when people can hear me do that. Exporting was successful, so let's go ahead and get this thing uploaded to YouTube. I think my internet decided to slow down a lot because it's telling me I have 2 hours and 26 minutes left. So the introduction to that other video is done. So if you want to post 30 videos in 30 days, or maybe you want to do vlogmas or something like that, or just post consistently, so far the biggest thing I've learned is that you really need to be organized. I think I mentioned this earlier, but I wouldn't be able to do this without this notebook. But you can definitely do it digitally. You don't have to use this or Notion. I'm also using notes to keep myself organized too, just because sometimes I don't always have my notebook with me. So honestly, it's pretty random, but kind of the main categories I have is what's finished, aka what's like uploaded, which is this list right here. So I keep track of what's going up when. I can keep track of like numbering the videos, like I'm uploading video 19. Then I have a list of ideas and I just put what phase I'm in. And also if you're doing vlogmas or trying to post 30 videos in 30 days, don't worry about making all of your videos really long. I know I was really like honed in on that part of it. I wanted to make sure every video was like 10 minutes or longer. Honestly, it's not always possible. With the room makeover that's going up right now, that video is 7 minutes long. The vision board video, that was 5 minutes long, which isn't ideal, and I really like to post longer content, but you have to remember that even though you are posting a lot, quality is also still important, and it's better to have a short video that just kind of gets to the point than a long video that just really doesn't have any point to it. There's no reason for there to be all that footage in there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!